ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ॐ शांति शांति शांतिः। बोलो श्री शिवानंदमय की
जय।
जय। Okay, you know the meaning of this prayer is we are asking the Lord to nourish us, nourish our body and souls and everything, and give us knowledge, self-knowledge. It's a beautiful prayer. One should do it before you start cooking, even when you're eating, before you take your meal. ये अन्न है. And this is a very sacred exercise we do of cooking. You know, people don't understand कि cooking channel क्यों. इट्स अ वेरी सेक्रेड थिंग बिकॉज अपना जो शरीर है वो अन्न कोश है, उसमें अन्न डालना है. सो अन्न को पहले पूजा करो, भगवान को पूजा करो. प्लीज नरिश आवर बॉडीज. दैट्स द होल मीनिंग, यू नो. सो इफ यू डू इट दैट वे, जहां पूजा करके आप करते हो उसका फल बहुत अच्छा होता है. लाइक आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड, वाइब्रेशंस बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. दैट्स द स्टोरी. ओके, टुडे आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक my version of a Mexican salad. Okay, it's my version. So I will show you the ingredients. First we'll make the dressing. I'm making it in this glass. Okay, and dressing सबसे पहले क्यों बनाना है कि जितना बैठेगा वो, you know, it's like you have to let it rest. The more it sits, the better the taste becomes because it ferments, kind of thing. So let's start over there. Then I'll show you all the ingredients. This is the extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so I take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2. We can take a little more because there's the thing is more. My salad is more. So this you take, then you throw in your nimbu. These are, I think, 2 tablespoons of nimbu. Lime, okay? Throw that in. I'm going to put it in this because it's going to be small. So I'll put it in this. Then you throw in coriander, hara dhania. Throw in as much as you can. Lots we need. Okay? Chopped finely. You put in hara dhania. Then you take 2 tablespoons of adrak paste. 1 and 2. Then we'll adjust. We can always adjust later. So take this. Then what you do is take oregano. Oregano. 1 and 2 pinches of oregano. Then you throw in chili flakes, as much as you want, like spicy or whatever you want, you know. So I've taken 2 small pinches. Then you put in jeera powder. Okay, small pinches of jeera powder. Then you take in honey, mad, shahad. Just throw in a little bit. That's it. Then you mix it up. Salt, I forgot the salt. Salt. Then you mix it. Just go on stirring and mixing. Now what I'll do is I'll let it sit for some time, you know, because it takes time for it to mix up, the salt to melt and, you know, everything. So I think I'll need a little more olive oil. So I'm going to put a little more. अंदाजे से सब होता है, you know, मैं जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला है, मैं अंदाजे से सब करती हूँ. So mix it and let it sit. So I'm putting this aside. Now I will show you the salad. Okay, see, come close. Now this is what I have chopped and kept ready. These are salad leaves and iceberg. So I've chopped it into bite pieces like this, and take lots of salad leaves and iceberg. Then all you have to do is, I have roasted this with oil in a frying pan. This is makai, corn kernels, so I've taken lots. Throw it in. You can take corn on cob also, but जैसे वो मक्के का भुट्टा आता है ना, उसको भी लेके आप डाल सकते हैं ऐसे ही, उसको रोस्ट करके तवे पे, on the gas, sorry, not tawa. Then I have roasted capsicum, green, yellow and red. उसको गैस पे तवे पे थोड़ा मैंने रोस्ट किया है, ऑयल में, and then throw it in. You can take it कच्चा also, raw also, but I prefer it this way. Then you take small pieces of cucumber. I've taken 2 tiny cucumbers. Okay, throw it in. Keep everything ready, like I'm always saying. Then I've taken cherry tomatoes, chopped into halves. छोटे छोटे चेरी टमाटोज आते हैं. अगर आपके पास चेरी टमाटोज नहीं है तो आप बड़े टमाटर लेके उसको काट के ऐसे छोटे पीसेस बना सकते हैं. So throw in that, all your cherry tomatoes. Then these are kidney beans, rajma. Now this is very important for a Mexican salad. राजमा जरूर होता है और कॉर्न जरूर होता है इसमें. So आप राजमा डालो, जितना डाल सकते हो, मैं सब डाल दिया है. And then this is avocado. Avocado is a fruit. Okay? फ्रूट को क्या है, आप ऐसे हाफ में उसको काटो, अंदर से इतना बड़ा बीज निकलेगा, उसको आप फेंक दो. बीज को फेंकने के बाद आवाकाडो का जो हाफ है ना, उसको ऐसे नाइफ से ऐसे ऐसे काट लो और स्पून से उसको स्कूप करके निकाल दो. सो इट्स अ वेरी नाइस सॉफ्ट फ्रूट. एंड आई हैव टेकन ओनली हाफ इन दिस. द अदर हाफ आई हैव विथ मी, which I'll probably later I'll make guacamole or something with it, which you can have with corn chips or something. So that is not in this. So I have taken half, which I have chopped, and I'm throwing it in. Okay, देखो कितना बड़ा salad बन गया. This is a whole meal in itself. You don't need anything else. And then I'm taking some basil leaves. Okay, जो तुलसी के पत्ते होते हैं, और थोड़े थोड़े मैं डाल देती हूँ. This is my version, okay? ऐसे आप टेयर कर दीजिए और उसमें डाल दीजिए. So this becomes a full meal, a meal by itself. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm not throwing the dressing just now. You see, there's this friend of mine, Amita Shah, who's the naturopath, which I've been talking about. She's coming for prasad. I've told her, come and have lunch over here और प्रसाद ले लो. तो वो जब आएगी तब मैं ड्रेसिंग डालूंगी उसके सामने और वो खा के आपको बताएगी कैसा है. So she will come by, right now it's too early. So if I put the dressing just now, it will become all soggy, तो मजा नहीं आएगा. तो वो जब आएगी तब हम ड्रेसिंग डालेंगे, आपको दिखाएंगे और सर्व करके दिखाएंगे. तब तक आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा. जय मां, see my friend is here. This is Amita Shah. I was telling you she's a naturopath. So she's come for prasad. And so I told you once she comes, then I will mix the dressing and show you what to do. So
Jai Ma.
So she's saying Jai Ma to all of you. And now I'm mixing. So this is the Mexican salad. And we have to mix. Just throw everything in.
Wow.
This is how you do it, and then just mix it, because we have to mix. See, and I'm dropping everything, doesn't matter. Sometimes I make mistakes, right? So this is how you mix it, and this is going to be our meal today. And I'm serving pasta to her in the red and white sauce, which I had told you in the previous, the past episodes. One of them I had done it. So this is how it is. Now I want her to taste it and tell me how it is. Because she is the opinion I will get. Try a little bit, then we'll go further.
Yes, it's very nice, very sattvic. She's always a great cook. I look forward to eat here. Nutritious and healthy.
Good. So she's liked it. See, I had forgotten in the Mexican salad, I had forgotten to put in olives. So these are black olives which are split in half, like little pieces of black olives, which I'm throwing in. I don't think people generally put black olives in Mexican salad, but this is my recipe. So I'm putting it in hers also. Okay. And this is the pasta which I told you people that I'm going to make. And I had shown it to you in one of the previous episodes, which I've already served to her. So she can have a little more and taste and tell me. First we'll do the puja and then we'll go further. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe Om Shanti 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 बोलो पूर्ण ब्रह्म नारायणी श्री शिमानंद भाई की जय। आज का भोजन पास्ता एंड रेड एंड व्हाइट सॉस एंड मेक्सिकन सैलेड बहुत बढ़िया
बढ़िया
बहुत बढ़िया
बहुत बढ़िया
थैंक यू। जय माँ जय माँ।
Now
Now she's going to have it and taste it and tell me. How is it, Abita madam?
Yes, it's going to be, I'm sure it's going to be nice. Wow.
I'm here. Not
Very
there.
tasty.
I'm not there. I'm here.
Very tasty, very tasty.
Good, good. Liked it?
Yes, really
Very
liked
good.
it.
Jai Ma.